Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create Eid Kufic Arabic Calligraphy in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. Create a new document with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool and click once. Add the artboard size to it. And do the center align. Select the eyedropper tool, and apply the color to fill. Go to the Object menu, Path and Split into Grid. Use these settings. And add the guides. Go to the Shape Builder tool, and select the fill color of your choice. And follow me. Let's make another version of it. Select the other fill color. Double-click on it to enter the isolated mode. Go to the Magic Wand tool and click on yellow color. Then hold the Shift key to click on red color. Go to the Edit menu and click on Cut. Select the extra lines and hit Delete. And press Ctrl+F for paste in place. Go to the Pathfinder panel, and click on Add. Type English text. And follow me. Go to the Object menu, Compound Path, and Make. Go to the File menu, and click on Place. Select your texture background, and place. Link of this is mentioned in the description. Right-click, Arrange, and Send to Backward. Select both, and make clipping mask. Let's present the other typography. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.